In this episode, I'm going to give you detailed instructions about how to install the SW Motech Footpegs Kit on an NC750X. Let's unbox this thing and see what's in the package. This is the part in the SW Motech kit that allows you to install the footpegs at different heights. These are all the parts that comes in the package. Then down to the garage. First, remove the cutter by straightening the ends and pull it out. Don't lose the washer. Pull out the pin that holds the footpeg. If your bike is as dirty as mine, it might be good to clean a little bit before you attach the new one. Remove the spring from the old footpeg and attach it in the new one the same way. There is a small hole where the end of the spring should go. Insert the pin from the old footpeg and make sure that the spring is working. Apply the washer and the cutter. Be sure to bend the ends so it doesn't drop out. With this eccentric part, you can choose whether you want to install the pegs at the lower or higher position. As I have long legs, I choose the lower one. You can also adjust the angle of the footpeg. You can correct it later after trying it out. Attach the footpeg, the big washer and the bolt. Then you have this pin that protects your footpegs from scraping directly against the road when leaning in a tight turn. But I must say that this one looks ridiculously long compared to the original one. And the instructions said something about that you should only use this one to some BMW models. So what I did was I took the shorter ones from the original pegs. Then repeat exactly the same procedure on the other side. If you're going to take your bike off-road, you can remove the rubber pads with only one screw. And then your bike is ready for some tough off-road riding, and you don't have to be scared of slipping off the foot pegs. Subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials and reviews.